Huyu mzee ni msenzi sana. I hear him calling others wasenzi, but he can't see himself. Huyu mtu anafaa kutetea wafanyikazi, lakini yeye ndiye amefanya wafinyiliwe kabisa. Yeye aliitwa, akapewa yake, akabraibiwa, then mataxes tukaongezewa mataxes mingi ambayo inafinya misahara yetu. This man does not care about our payslips and does not care about workers. He is there for political gain. He is there to benefit himself. He does not work to benefit workers. He is in every government. He is in that umbrella called KOTU to benefit himself and his family, but not Kenyans. I don't see any help that he has offered Kenyan workers. Huyu ndiye msenzi.